Margadi month 29th day, Thirupavi Pasaram 29. சிற்றஞ்சிறுகாலே வந்துன்னை சேவித்து உன் பொற்றாமரை அடியே போற்றும் பொருள் கேளாய் பெற்ற மேத்துண்ணும் குளத்தில் பிறந்து நீ குற்றேவல் எங்களை கொல்லாமற் போகாது இற்றைப் பறைகொள்வான் அன்றுகான் கோவிந்தா எற்றைக்கும் ஏழை பிறவிக்கும் முந்தன்னோடு உற்றோமே ஆவோம் உனக்கே நாம் ஆட்செய்வோம் மற்ற நம் காமங்கள் மாற்றேலோர் எம்பாவாய். In this Pasuram, Andal highlights Kainkaryam, service to God. In the previous Pasuram, she talked about surrender, Saranagati. Here she talks about Kainkaryam, the service to God. And she is finishing in 29th Pasuram as the lady from Cowherd's clan, Aichiyappan. 30th Pasuram, she presents herself as Andal Nachiyar. So till this day's Pasuram, she represented the Achiyar Kulam, that is the Cowherd's clan. So she is telling Krishna that we get up in the early morning and we sing in praise of you, we bow down and recite the Mangala Sasanams to your most desirable golden feet, the divine feet. And she is saying, you had been in the clan of cowherds and you were with us all these days, all this time. So you accept our Kainkaryam. Krishna asked Andal and other girls, what do you want? Whatever you want, I'll give you. Take your parai. You ask for parai, the instrument. I am giving you, take it. Then immediately Andal and others said, no, we don't want that. We want you to be with you. You please accept our service, our Kainkaryam to you. We should have connection with you for unlimited period. Our relationship should continue whenever I take birth. And we should carry out Kainkaryam only to you and in all my birth. So this is what she prayed. And she also said, whatever Kainkaryam we do, whatever service we do to you, you should feel happy. And we like you to be happy. More than you make us happy, we will be very happy if you feel happy with our Kainkaryam. So you please accept our Kainkaryam and please grace us mercifully that only the Kainkaryam makes us happy. So let me have that feeling always, that only service to God makes us happy. Instead, I feel happy. I prefer, I wish you should feel happy out of our Kainkaryam. So give such opportunity to us to do Kainkaryam always and to be with you. So she is now completing that requisition, complete that prayer to God in this Pasuram. So the highlight is on doing Kainkaryam, doing service to God. Today's temple is Ashtabhajakaram Koil. This temple is in Kanchipuram. Sri Ashtabhaja Perumal Tirukkovil. In this temple, the main deity is Adikeshava Perumal. Vishnu is in the name of Adikeshava Perumal here. And Tayar is Alamela Mangai Tayar. This temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Mulava Perumal Adikeshava Perumal is in standing posture. And you have a separate shrine for the Tayar Pushpavalli. And the Vimana is Chakrakoti Vimana. And the temple tank, that is Pushkarani, is known as Gajendra Pushkarani. This temple has a Rajagopuram with 4 tires. This temple was built by Tondaiman Chakravarti. And there are other shrines where you have darshan of other deities like Sri Hanuman, Sri Andal, Alvars, Chakratalvar, and S. Arbeshwarar. And the Alvars, Pei Alvar and Tirumangai Alvar, performed Mangala Sasanam on this temple. The temple is in the Dravidian style of architecture. That is, we can see the Dravidian style of architecture in this temple, the features of the Dravidian style. And this is one of 108 Divya Deshams. This Thalapurana is, that is Thalapura attached to this temple, is one with Brahma, the other one is with Gajendra Moksha. And you can find the Gajendra Moksha tank outside the temple. That is, the Gajendra Moksha happened here. The elephant, Gajendran, who used to collect lotus from the tank and offer it to God. So one day, when it entered the tank to collect the lotus, it was pulled by crocodile. Then he tried his best, but he couldn't do anything. So the elephant cried for, he called Lord Vishnu as Adi Moolam. Immediately, God Vishnu appeared here and relieved the elephant, the Gajendra, from the mouth of crocodile. And both crocodile and elephant were cursed to become like this because of their previous birth karma. So the moksha was given to Gajendra Moksha. This incident happened in this temple. So the tank is known as Gajendra Pushkarani. So that is the special importance of this temple. Thalaprana of this temple is Perumal appears here with 8 hands and he holds weapon in each hand. We don't see Lord Vishnu having 8 hands and weapon in each hand in any other temple. This is the only temple we have the darshan of Lord Vishnu, that is Adi Keshav Perumal, with 8 hands. Why God has got 8 hands in this temple? Once Brahma wanted to perform yaga for Lord Vishnu. So he got permission from Lord Vishnu and he started. But at that time, his wife Saraswati Devi refused to be with him to conduct the yaga. Because Saraswati Devi and Lakshmi, they had argument. And at that time, Indra and Brahma said, Lakshmi is greater than Saraswati. So Saraswati got wild and she left that place. So Brahma could not conduct the yaga. So he made a doll-like creature, like Saraswati, and he created all the qualities of Saraswati and he wedded to that doll and he conducted the yaga. But Saraswati, she was very angry and sent Sarabhasran. She sent many demons to disturb the yaga, to disturb Brahma. So Brahma requested Thirumal, Lord Vishnu, to protect him and the yaga. So Brahma appears here with 8 hands having weapons to kill the demons. He did it. Who were all sent by Saraswati were killed by Lord Vishnu. That is Adikeshava Perumal here. So that is why here we find Lord Vishnu as Adikeshava Perumal with 8 hands and weapon in each hand. So his right hand has got discus, sword, flower, arrow. The left side, the hands have conch, bow, armor, club. So right hand side 4. The forearms carrying discus, sword, flower, arrow. The left hand side, the hands carrying conch, bow, armor and club. So this is a speciality of this temple. This Talaprana we can find in 3 places. One is at Tiruparkadal, the other one is at Pallikonda, the other one is at Chonnavannam Seida Perumal. There's another temple in Kanchipuram where you find Perumal in a lying posture is lying across the river and stopping the Saraswati Devi who came in the form of river. She came in the form of river to destroy the yaga. So this temple, this spot, that is the position of Lord Vishnu here is just before that incident. But all these have the same Sthala Purana. So here God stands and protects Brahma and Yagam by carrying so many weapons in 8 hands. And this temple has another speciality. This temple alone in Kanchipuram has got Paramapada Vasal, that is Sorga Vasal. And one more importance, Lord Vishnu saved Bhuma Devi from the demon in this place.